I'm just going to share with you kasi somebody was asking magkano daw po ba yung nagastos ko when I applied for K1 Fiancé Visa. So magkano nga ba yung nagastos ko lahat-lahat po when I applied for K1 Visa? I will show you or I will tell you how much I spent and how much po yung magagastos ninyo, estimation po yung magagastos ninyo right now that it's February of 2025, bagong taon na po. And nag-increase na po sila since I paid last time. During my time, ang laki na po ng increase nila. So, I will give you an estimation kung magkano ba yung magagastos ninyo. How much are you going to spend when you apply for K1 Fiancé Visa? So, if you are planning to apply for K1 Fiancé Visa, or if you have applied for K1 Fiancé Visa and is about to apply for adjustment of status,